Ka-choo! Coins quest. 2 birds enter, 1 bird leaves. Just kidding. Both birds always leave. Both birds always leave. Our bird death ratio is still 0. We, as you can see, have a new user interface. I can shuffle the coins. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. I can change the round number. All of these design elements, courtesy of Blaholtzen. Thank you, Blaholtzen. Birds, do something. Please, birds, do something. Do you think all animals just constantly fear death? That's my assumption. They're like, oh, I'm worried. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh, please, give me the food. Please, I'm going to die. I got 2 birds. They love to sit on their cage, and they sit, and they fluff, and they tilt their heads in confusion. 2-bird confusion. I've learned a training technique. It's called pointer location consternation. You say, hey, follow the stick, follow the stick, follow the stick, follow the stick, follow the stick. They get really good at following the stick, and then what you do is you introduce something like this.
Oh, that's Falco from Star Fox, and also Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, which I think is where the render is from.
Wow. Campbell goo on the field. -10. Step on the skateboard. Very good. Keely is the winner of the week, but not of the month.